Hi YouTube, I'm back. I'm in my living room today because I was going to say the lighting's better, but I'm looking in the viewfinder. I look way worse than I usually do. But I think it might be my eyebrows. And yeah, I'm back. I know I said I'd do a video every week. I've actually been filming. I don't know if anyone remembers. I was like, sorry, I've got hair in my mouth. I said I'm going to do a wardrobe clear out. When I tell you it's taking me so long because I'm doing it in increments. And I keep filming it, so I've been filming it over the course of like a whole month and it's still like only halfway done. Anyway, I'm going to do Turkish Delight makeup today, which is like a trend on TikTok, but I think it's primarily like Turkish inspired makeup. I was slightly worried about doing that because I was scared that I'd like offend someone, because some of these trends sometimes people are like not happy. Okay, we're going to start with the face makeup obviously. Also, oh god. I've said this before in my videos, but there is like, there's some people that don't suit the bleached eyebrow. I think I'm one of them. I mean, I just accept that fact. I look crazy right now. Yeah, I've got my extensions out and I'm getting them put back in a couple of days. I was like, I'm just gonna wait to film a video so I don't look, because my hair is all thin and wispy at the bottom, but I just couldn't wait. I'm gonna start with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Ugh. Yeah, sorry guys, my hair's a mess. I've got a cold, so it probably sounds gross. Yeah, I feel like I've got the flu right now because I've been exercising and my body's obviously not used to exercising. I'm going to use the Morphe 2 Hint of Marshmallow. This is a skin tint because I've been trying to wear foundation recently and it looks really bad on me. And this is just a really light foundation, so we'll try. That was for, you know, satisfying vibes for Instagram there. This is very old, this foundation, so hopefully it doesn't like look worse. But yeah, I don't know what's been up with my skin recently. It's just been like kind of dry around my nose, so foundation and stuff has been looking like extra bad basically. Yeah, so basically I've been working out. And my body's not used to it, so it's very sore. So I feel like I've got the flu because my whole body is aching so much and I've got like this cold to go with it. So like just getting out of my bed has been the most painful thing ever. I keep like shouting and waking my dog up because like just moving around is so painful. But I've been trying to eat really healthy and stuff. Honestly, my main goal is to become like actually buff. Like my mum's going to make me a workout plan, because she's like a certified personal trainer now. I don't think she'd believe me if I said I want to be like really buff. She'd be like, get a grip, you're never going to be buff. So I'm keeping it to myself, but okay, I want to be one of those girls, you know, that are like, oh, I just want to be buff. Okay, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm kind of just doing my normal base routine, to be honest. Because like I said, I mean, the makeup isn't anything super special. But like, don't know, I just said but like and had nothing else to add to that sentence. Good YouTube commentary from me as per usual. I've been noticing my dark circles are worse than usual and they're looking like, you know, they don't even look good when I cover them up now, so don't know why, won't think about that too much, probably not good. I'm going to take my Fenty contour stick and Amber 01. I've kind of effed that up a bit, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm gonna blend this with a foundation brush. Yeah, also, I'm saying my body hurt, but like 2 days ago, this was just after I finally started exercising again and stuff. I was out walking my dog and you will not believe this. I was walking my dog and basically what happened was my two shoelaces tied together. And so I had the fall of a century. So it wasn't like a normal fall. It was like I was plummeted forward because like when your shoelaces tied together, you try and take a step so it sends your body flying that way. So I really fell really hard, so that's why my body hurts as well. And like my dog's leash went flying out my hand. She ran onto the main road. It was bad. No one helped me. I got up so quickly though. You know, if anything embarrassing happens, like anytime I've fallen as an adult, like the way I get up the fastest I've ever moved in my life just because it's so embarrassing. Has anyone seen that video of the guy getting hit by a bus and he just gets back up and keeps walking on? That's literally me, that's how I feel. Okay, for the blush, she's wearing quite a pinky blush in some of the photos, so I'm going to take these two. It's Anime. It's this brand. I never freaking know how to say it, but I'm taking the two colours. So I'll take this pinky one first, and then I'll maybe add the more nude one. A little bit on this. And I'm going to take the nude one as well. It's not that nude, to be fair. And blend it out. Was this too much blush? Maybe. Just blocked the whole camera, sorry about that. I'm using a wee handheld mirror since I'm in my living room. I'm going to do some powder, and I'm going to use the NARS translucent powder. I actually think my bedroom lighting might be a bit better than this. It looks so washed out. I haven't done any sim streaming yet. I'm too much of a baby. I'm still... Streaming's bloody scary, I'm not going to lie. Because if no one shows up, then what do? Do I just talk to no one? I guess I do. Right, we're going to do the eyebrows, get this out of the way. I hate doing my eyebrows, blah, blah, blah. We're using the Wow Brow Tinted Gel by e.l.f. Because we've got bleached eyebrows at the minute, so I'm going to try and pretend that they're not bleached. It always looks horrible when you try and cover up bleached eyebrows, I'm not going to lie, but... I'll have to try. She's got quite a classical brow shape, so it's like quite thick here and then it goes down. I guess not classical, like normal brow shape. Quite like traditional movie star in the 1950s vibes. So this is the next Lift and Snatch pen in ash brown. I low-key just did my eyebrows exactly how I usually would do them. I'm a creature of habit. Do these need cleaned up? Yeah, a little bit. Ugh. I don't know why anything to do with my eyebrows, I just hate doing it. She doesn't look like she's wearing any kind of crazy eyeshadow even. But I'm just going to do a little bit because I feel like it needs to be kind of a dramatic look. So I'm taking... I need to tell you what I'm doing, I forget, I'm filming a tutorial. This is the Kaleidos eyeshadow palette. I don't know, it's the brown one. The quad one. It doesn't actually say on the physical packaging, so... And I'm just going to do a kind of classic eyeshadow look. You'll see what I'm doing. Oh, I'm taking the latest shade, by the way. Again, might be filming the tutorial. I'm being kind of messy with it because the eyeliner is going to be, you know, the star of the show. I've got a little blendy blend. Taking the medium shade now. And blendy blend. So I'm quite far away from the camera. I kind of need to start getting far away from the camera. I get too close. I'm going to add some of the shimmer as well. She doesn't wear any shimmer, but I just think it'll look good. I'm not packing it on though, I'm kind of lightly dusting it on so it's not too intense. I'm gonna go in with the darkest colour. Just on the waterline. Not the waterline like this, but... I'm taking... my eyeliner was running out, so I've just started pulling random eyeliner from my makeup collection. This is the Revolution. I don't even know if they still sell this. It's a normal felt tip kind of eyeliner. Okay, so it's a fairly thick but kind of normal wing. That's what I'm trying to say. God, my hand's shaking. I need to use my little mirror. Make that a little bit thicker. And we're going to do not anything crazy, just a little wing. Now, time for the fun part, which is the lower line. I'm going to go in with my eyeliner first, and I'm going to go in with some black eyeshadow, I think. Actually, let me check something. I don't know if like the eyeliner goes down rather than against the wing. Okay, it kind of just goes straight. I'm going to do the tiniest of inner corners. What I'm going to do is get some black eyeshadow from the other... Well... I'm going to actually use brown eyeshadow. Also, sorry about my fingers are all... I pick my skin so badly. It's kind of gross, I'm not going to lie. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm just taking some of the dark brown and blending this out a little bit. Just so the line isn't harsh, but to be honest, I've been looking at the reference photos and a lot of the lines are harsh, so I don't think it really matters. Taking some of the medium brown now and blending it some more. I'm making it worse. What an awful story. I was at a gay bar in Glasgow. And you know who was there, randomly? Bob the drag queen. And they were just singing like karaoke. And I was playing a pub quiz with them. Not like on the same team. I'm way too shy to go up to a celebrity because... Well, I'm not even shy, I'm just... The thought of them rejecting me, I will never be happy again, do you know what I mean? I'll be humiliated, I'd cry every freaking day. So I didn't bother, but I just thought I was so oh my god, my hair. I just thought it was so random because why was Bob the drag queen just in a bar in Glasgow? I don't know. Is this enough for the eyes? I think I'm going to use these lashes, although they look like a nightmare to put on. It's quite a bold lash, but is it this bold? Why not? There's no rules to makeup. Yeah, these look, they're like really curly. I always find these so hard to put on. Be honest. Have I made a mistake with these eyelashes? Because suddenly my makeup is very British. I'm adding a little bit more black to see if that helps it look less British. Anytime I've changed my lashes with makeup, it ruins everything. I have made a mistake. I'm just going to put on some mascara. I use the Their Real mascara by Benefit, but it's low-key running out. I think it's quite important to make your lower lash really like that, I guess would be the word. So I'm making it look really clumpy. Okay, I'm taking Tasty Hazel. I'm going to take my flat brush and line my lips using this. Just going to blend this into the middle. Not too much though. Okay, and then we're going to we're adding Walk of No Shame by Charlotte Tilbury. So it's not a really intense, it's not a really intense lip, but it's a little bit of an in-between. And last but not least, we need to add the beauty spot, my favourite part. I'm taking the ash brown, same pen for the eyebrows. I actually have a freckle, so I'm just going to cover up my existing freckle. Is that a bit big? I think that's fine. Is that too big? I can't tell. Okay, this is the finished look. I mean, it's cute. Honestly, why do I feel like I kind of flopped though? I feel like it doesn't really look like the trend. Every time I do something, it just looks like the makeup that I do, like, day to day. Maybe I should get out my comfort zone a little bit. I was going to do some highlight, but people didn't really wear highlight back in those days, did they? I mean, it looks nice. It's just the British eyelashes are throwing me off. Yeah, I mean, I would wear this. What do we think? Final thoughts? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, as per usual. I'll be back soon, I'm sure. Yeah. I'll see you later. Hope you liked it. Yeah, comment what other kind of looks would you like to see. I need some help. Right, I'll see you later. Bye. Goodbye.